Hello YouTube, this is Chris, aka Big White. I am wanting to do an unboxing of a tablet I bought. It is from EX Pen, so let's get to it. Use the old handy ruler. Now I've used in the past wacom, or how you say that, and I wasn't a big fan of those. Get the box out of the way and show you what the box looks like. It is a Star 3, and this is it. Here we go. Weird bubbly wrap. It's well packaged. Dang, this sucker's huge. Just to show you that this is 6 inches here. You got another 6 inches. I would say it's about 13 inches across. Get your packet. I recommend just going to their website and just getting the latest drives instead of using the CD. I never use the CDs. And this is the pen. It kind of feels like, yeah, I would say it's just like these pens here. So if you're used to the fine liners, that's what it reminds me of, is a fine liner. You get all your warranty thank you card, another warranty card, a quick guide, the X Pen, Facebook, and the graphic. So you can tell all that stuff. We don't need that. USB. Little nibs. Dang. That's got some weight to it. But as you can tell, it's got all these different nibs in there. Then that's your nib puller. But you put that on top and hold your pen. And you can hold it like that too. Alright, now I'm in Clip Studio Paint. I just wanted to show you real quick how it looks using a program. I got this off of Walmart.com. It was $44.95, and here I'm just drawing something simple. I never know what to draw, so I just figured I'd draw a graffiti skull real fast just to show the pen in action. I really like the express keys that it has. They like that right there, zoom in. I left everything in default. I'd never changed the express keys yet. I really don't plan on to, because it's does everything that I want. Undo, zoom in, zoom out, brush. I mean, everything that I would use. I do have Photoshop. I don't like using Photoshop for doing lines. Now for doing paintings and stuff like that, I do use Photoshop a lot. But I just really like Clip Studio Paint about it. The first for $50, but they're having a sale right now. If you buy the EX, it's $89 instead of $219. So with that, I was thinking about upgrading. I think you actually get a physical copy. It's not just a download. Like I bought the $50 download. So yeah, not much really to talk about here. Just coloring the skull and no. Now I'm gonna start using the airbrush and just color some colors in. So I don't think you're really here for my drawing skills. I think you're watching this video just because you want to see the unboxing and show you how good it actually moves and works and all that. So, alright, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.